Hello, hello. Hello, good evening. Mm. Today meron tayong bagong payroll na template. So, uh, this is a new one. So, naglahang aking laptop. So, first of all, para gamitin to, you need to click this one. Yung icon na katabi ng ng employee name. So click this, add. Let's add. So add dash 24 dash 9 dash 20. Pagkatapos i-add, go back. So yung laptop natin mahina, ano? So after that, select employee name, select Mariatina. Then there you go. So let's add the date. So cutoff is August 26 to September 10. So pay date is 15/9/20. So masyado pong lag yung ating laptop. So click 5, let's say 13 and 13. So yung contribution po pala pwede nyo siyang i-on and off. Here, you can off. Yung SSS, deducted, automatic deduction yan. So 13. Oops, yan. Hindi siya nag-deduct. So you can off also this one. Off, then click again, then put the days. Yan, nag-off siya, nag-automatic off yung contributions kapag na-off. So after that, add. So pag na-add na siya, mawawala siya lahat. Click this, book, beside the pay date. Click mo siya. Ayan. Yan po ang ating report. Yan po yung report natin. So, next, go back, and add another one, add another employee. 600. Go back, change this, so September 11 to 25 dash 9. Tapos September 30 yung pay date, 9. 30 dash 9. Then let's say on natin siya. Also this one on, and then off this. So Mariatina, 13 days. Oops, I have to select pa pala. You have to select Mariatina. Kasi hindi pa siya nag-load. Yan. Mahina lang po yung laptop. Yan. Put 13 days. Then, yung SSS is automatic. PhilHealth. Yan. So, add. Then, another one. Employee. Masyadong malab yung laptop. Click. Yan. Let's say 13 then. Then, add natin. So, click natin itong maliit na book na icon. So, as of that date, ayun yung na-process na payroll. So, go back. Yan. Yung mga data na na-process na payroll, dito siya makikita. Yan. Dito siya makikita. So, go back. To check the previous payroll, go to report. And then, put the payroll date. So, pay date is 15 and September 15. Yan. Si Mariatina lang yung na-process na payroll. So, sa 30, change the date. Mariatina and Ryan J. Yan. So, mabagal po yung process ng kasi mabagal po yung laptop. So, back. And then, sa payslip naman, under bulk, lahat ng payroll na for that pay date, mapiprint po siya. Mapiprint po yung lahat. Unlike sa individual, isa-isa lang. Halimbawa, pag yung empleyado mo is gustong manghingi ng previous niyang payslip, so, pwede siya sa individual. So, try natin to. Printer, set natin printer as PDF. Yeah. Connect to PDF lang. PDF, Microsoft PDF. So, let's try September 9. Print. Yan. Desktop lang. So, lagyan natin Matina. Lagyan natin 1 or date 9/25-20. Error yung name. So, dash natin. Dash, I guess. Pwede yan. Then, another one. Yan. Pwede siya. Dash 2. Dash 1. So, check natin yung payslip. So, ito sila. Ayan, yung payslip. Yung payslip, yan. So, sa individual naman, individual is Matina, pwede siyang then 15-9. Pag nanghingi si Mariatina ng previous payslip niya, pwede siya. So, print 2. Yan. Dito siya. Then, sa SSS naman, let's go back. SSS, ito yung mga table ng SSS na pwede mo siyang i-change if yung SSSA nagbago na rin ng table. So, dito din sa PhilHealth. PhilHealth din. Yan. Yan yung table as of to 2020. So, 2021, mag-change na din naman yung yung table ng PhilHealth. So, go back. Sa settings, dito ilalagay natin yung business name. So, let's put RJD Excel. So, Philippines. So, save. Successfully added. So, back. Click back. Oops, bagal. So, nandiyan na, as you can see, nalagyan ng name. And then, sa payslip natin, ayan, may name na rin. So, pwede tayong mag-insert ng pictures or logo para sa company natin. So, dito, sa previous payslip natin, wala pa siyang name. So, now, meron na siyang name. So, back. And then, the last one is log out. Yan. So, save. Yes. Yeah. That's also, meron pa akong mga payslip dito, mga template na gusto kong i-share sa next video. Accounting system. So, bali ito yun. Masyadong mabagal yung laptop. So, ito yung lahat. I-share ko na lang po ito sa next video natin. So, that's all for today.